Good morning everyone and welcome to you in this daily update on Bitcoin and the Alts. As always, hope that you're all doing very well today and you had a very nice weekend. We've got a nice drop from the MC Strat target plan on the Discord server, and by the way also in the daily update last week, can't remember which one, but anyways, that's pretty cool. So normally if you was trading this MC Strat targets, you've got the short trade. We've just got a bounce by the way from the exact also MC Strat target, so it's pretty lovely. But yeah, on this being said, first of all, just gonna check that the sound is working well as always. Normally it should be, but yes, it's working well. Alright, perfect. So we can just mute this. I'm gonna pop out the chat here, just right there. Good morning, mate. Welcome in this daily update. So first of all, we can go and update the levels, then we're going to move on the waves. I just want to plan here some support all the way down, because we do have some 5 ways up here. Okay, we do have some 5 ways to the upside, so it's either for a C wave of a flat, either for, well, an ABC zigzag to the upside or an impulsive. So first of all, we can remove this. We're good with this otherwise, so let's go on a weekly time frame. Oops, we have a weekly here, but I mean it's already hit and it's very close to the current price action. We'll see. We have a nice daily here on the top. Alright, let's come back here on the 1 hour. And let's go on exo charts. So here, first of all, weekly naked point of control. Perfect. Alright, it's lining up with the daily here. Let's go with the DNPOC now. Alright, everything's at the same place. That's pretty nice. So this is done. TPOs, we have one here with a single print adjustable, I mean just below the TPO here, 59534. By the way, sorry if you hear some noise in the background, we have some family here at home today with some child, so it's okay. They're doing a bit of noise sometimes, so sorry about this. We have one naked session path control below. Oh, lovely retest here into the naked session path control on the top. Alright, so 58,350, and then we are done with the levels. So let's go and use this. I said what? 58,350. Yes, like this. Well, we can get rid of this and this, to be honest with you. We don't really care. We are sideways on this. Good. Alright, so let's just lock everything. And now find the support. So we can pull it like this. Okay. Alright, so the first support here, what's that weekly here? Okay. Alright, so we have one support here that is just below us really. We have this weekly level, so it's an all weekly level here that's already hit one time, but it's fine. Plus a value low, okay, so it will be just really a swing for the pound or a fair look of the current bottom we have, so we can place an alert just right here and see what's the reaction. If we start breaking this, we can look simply for the 61866%, and the daily level plus, you know, the lows here to be taken, okay, for a swing through pan or a failed auction. If we start breaking this, we do have, you can see here, some support below. We have a naked session path control just below this bottom there, so that can end up in a swing through pan again, and we can do a quick wick down really into the DNPOC just right here. Well, these are not the best and biggest supports. Be aware of these levels, just add this on your chart really. But yeah, we really have to get something good for a long trade there, otherwise we're going simply to go for the lows. As we're below the value low here, in already the daily level plus the 6.86%, and be a bit careful. But yeah, these are the two best support really we have below us. If we start breaking this, really be careful on the last levels, okay? By the way, we do have some news to do FOMC on Wednesday. Alright, so today and tomorrow we don't care, we'll see this on Wednesday. So these are the support we have, okay? If we start breaking this, we can simply look for the support plan below. So we've got the first support here, that was the TPO, the NPOC down to the swing through pan here. We've got an SFP, rise with bad data, so we've got a retest next, so the retest was good. We get the rise, and now we have the support plan. If we have to drop below this, we can again look for a swing through pan or a failed auction, and if we don't, we can look for the next support plan. So to speak here, the daily level down to the value high really, with the daily in between and the 6.86%, so it's between 55,200, 150, down to 53,700. If we start breaking this, we'll have one last support, that is the DNPOC around 53,000, down to this path control level around 52,000 really. If we start losing this last target, well, there is no real support anymore, and so we can look simply for a new low to be made. So if we have to look for a new low here to be made, we can simply get rid of this for the moment, go on a bit of a bigger time frame, and we can look now at the higher time frame support. So they're still the same, okay? Well, we've got the one here plan, we've got a bounce, so now it's hit, but we can still look, for example, if we have to take the low, for another swing through pan or a failed auction of the low. If we don't, we're going to see simply a drop down to 43,000 minimum. If we break 43,000, we're simply going to see the next target, so to speak here, 38,500 here, down to 35,000, and this is a very, very, very big support, okay? I'm not gonna go too low for the moment, it's not really useful. In any case, you can see the support down there, so it's fine. Yeah, so these are the support we have, and now if we have to rise from here, we can pull the fixed range from the top to the bottom we have at the moment, and there we go. The only good resistance we have, we can get rid of this too, by the way, now, and this also. The only resistance we have before the new high really is this value high plus the daily, weekly negative path control, TPO, DNPOC, and normally that's it. We only have this. It's already good enough, to be honest with you. So yeah, this is the first resistance we have. Gonna do this like that, bam, let's add this red, and we're done. If we break this right here, we can look simply for a new high more likely, okay? Again, don't forget with the level approach, you know, you have in the course, for example. Sorry, so right here in the chorus, exo charts course here, you have some level approach. I'm gonna show you here. So you have the level approach here, lesson number 13. So for example, here you can go above, flip to support, fake the pump, for example, to go take out some few stop loss of the shorts, and then come back down below, flip the resistance, and well, continue the drop really. This is a level approach, for example. This is very tricky because we go above the level, we go past, we even fake the pump here, and then we drop below, flip the resistance, and we just reverse really, okay? So just be aware of this. We can go take some few more highs if we have to do something a bit more tricky. As always, Bitcoin is tricky, so we have to be aware of such configuration really. But yeah, if we start breaking above these lower time frame highs, it is likely we're going to see high prices. If we have to go higher, well, we simply have to look for the daily level plus the TPO above. Don't forget, we do have some MC strat just above here, and well, we have all of this really. Everything is posted on the Discord server. In any case, you can just pause the stream here to check out the price on the right and add this on your chart really. By the way, we can remove all these ones right here because now it's rejected, so we don't really care. This one, I'm going to keep that for the moment. Let's come back here, and so yeah, if we start breaking here, so 60,800 really, we can look for the next target, the NPOC right here, well, alone really, to be honest with you. And if we start to break this, and by the way, before to do that, I just want to, yeah, okay, so we have to look for this, okay, up to the highs. So we have this value high here, the NPOC plus the highs here. If there is no swing for the pound fair auction, as always, we can look for the next target, and the next target is really this top right here, the NPOC value low, and well, yeah, that's the next resistance. If we break this, we can look simply for bam, a nice increase in price. Normally we talk about a nice, well, 5-8% move, well, no, 5-6-7% move to the upside into this 66,400 up to the monthly level here, above the highs, really. Okay. Sorry, so not gonna go too high for the moment, it's not really useful, we have already all the resistance. Step by step, we just have to check as always at the order flow. By the way, just gonna do this very quickly here because, yeah, like this, perfect. There we go. And so, yeah, we can just read the reaction really here into the targets, and if there is a good reaction, we take the trade. If not, we just don't take the trade and remain patient, really. So with the levels, we are done. Just gonna set an alert right here too, and gonna add one here also. For scalpers, just be aware of this. Okay, just gonna go here in the typical chart right there. Yeah, you can see we have a single print, so it's possible, for example, if you have to do a quick move up here and fake the pump really and come back down directly, that will end up in a big swing for your pound or fair auction. We can go into the single print and then just remove here. So for scalpers, be aware of this single print just below, just above, sorry, here. I mean, just above, a bit above still. But yeah, be aware of this, can be also, can give something. So here, with a wave now. Alright, so we have two configurations, one bullish, one bearish. Now the only thing we have to do is to trade the reaction into the target. What the fuck is this? I'm not holding the click, okay. Anyways, so one bullish, one bearish. The bearish configuration, I'm gonna start with this, okay, will be here an ABC flat into the X wave. So I'm gonna move this on the right, there will be an X wave like this, bam. Sorry, and we will do here a Y wave to the downside. In that case, we have here an ABC flat. Anyway, it's gonna, if I can catch the low, perfect, the top here, the bottom, and the top here. So this is an ABC flat into the X wave. The ABC flat, as always, the B wave is going to retrace between the 90%, but here we do break the previous low, so it's more than 90%, so between 105 and 123, 127. So you can see here between 105 and 123.27. So here we've got a bounce from the max target of the B wave, 123, 127. We bounce there and we go, you can see here for the 120 extension, touch it almost to the dollar. It's a small front run if I'm not mistaken. If I go there, you can see it's not really hit, but I mean, for me it's still valid. So this will be the bearish configuration. Okay, I'm gonna take, by the way, all of this. Let's go with lower time frame 1. There we go. And so if we have to drop from here, we simply have to pull the extension tool from the W root to the W bottom here. Right, geez, anyways, to the X wave top, that should be here. Let me just place that a bit better. There we go. In any case, the Fib targets are the levels we have planned, really. There we go. Yep, this is the same, really. Okay, but if you prefer to use the fibs, well, these are the targets and the way you can find this. Okay, so just gonna Control C everything, gonna go here, Control V, Control X, and gonna pass this here again so we can get the same, but I'm gonna make this a bullish lower time frame too. Let's move this down here. And let's change that. So yeah, this is right here the bearish plan in case we do not hold the support we have planned really with the levels. If we get no reason to long in here because we get no good data on the order flow. Okay, so not this, but this right here. Okay, this on the left, I mean all the other tabs here, this is an order flow. If we don't get any good data, well, we can look for this bearish plan, so for the lower targets below. Okay, now for the bullish configuration, we can simply take the WXY completed. Okay, so we can get rid of this ABC flat. WXY is done. I'm gonna remove that too, by the way. The WXY is done here, and we can look simply for either an ABC zigzag to the upside, so 5 waves, correction, 5 waves. Sorry again, either for an impulsive to the upside. So in that case, we have a wave 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. So normally something a bit bigger here to the upside. And so for this, we should see higher prices normally, that top taken, and even higher by the way. Just gonna change that to minor white. Let's go with this. And that will do the job. And so if we have to make this, I mean to do this right here, we can simply pull the extension tool from the bottom here to the top, to the wave 2 or the B wave bottom we're going to do, what we have done. If we, for example, bounce from here, sorry, we can click on the bottom we have done, and we have simply the same targets than the levels plan really. Okay, 120 extension, swing for a pound refill auction at the top. If we have to break above 123, so you know the DNPOC, above this high here plus the value area low, and if we start breaking above, what do we have here? The 1618, 64, well 65,000 really. Yeah, we should go higher than this normally, because the next resistance is 66,300. Okay, but these are the two configurations depending on what reaction we have here. If we don't manage to hold this wave 2 or this B wave, we simply have to look for the next what is this? Sorry, for the other configuration, so the bearish one right here, and so we can look for the Y wave down. It all depends on the reaction we have into the support, if we get something bullish or not. And again, to recognize this, you can simply use the order flow. If you want to get this template, okay, this workspace really with all the templates inside, you can go on the website, go into the course section, just have to sign up for free, course section, scroll down, and you will get this download section, Excel Charts Pro Workspace. Download this, import the workspace in Excel Charts Pro Desktop right here. Workspace, you can import it here. Once you import it, just click in there, and you're done. You have all the levels on the left here, in here, and the order flow view. So well, yeah, with Bitcoin we're good. Nothing more to add on this. Yeah, sorry about that. Sorry for the noise in the background. I don't know if you want me to analyze some few alts. What happened on the alts? Metis, nothing. WLD, I added some new targets on this, if we have to make this WXY down, and WXY XNZ, sorry. Yeah, normally we should do something like that. So if you want to DCA in there, well, you have the targets. BONK, BONK, BONK. That one is pretty cool, not gonna lie. And the prediction on this followed absolutely perfectly. This is pretty cool. Let me just here. This was planned. This was really the triple wave that was looking for, around the 50%, and then you get a drop. So we've got the rise. Exactly, you've got a triple wave here into the 50%. If you pull the retracement tool there, got it into the 50%. Was looking for, and the drop. And the drop. That's pretty nice, right? So here, more likely taking now an ABC zigzag and not a double EXY into the Y wave, as we cannot finish with a Y wave only. And before, to be honest with here, it looks more like some phi wave, so I would prefer an ABC zigzag. Here are the three targets. We only have three. What you have to do in there if you want to buy this and, well, to maybe get the raise next and to make some profit really. Simply DCA into the targets. Again, there isn't any financial advice, you do whatever you want, but these are the targets really if you want to buy this. And yeah, this is BONK. A year, well, we're not moving, we're just range bound, there's nothing to update really. FLOKI, FLOKI, FLOKI. Gonna remove that. Well, it depends on Bitcoin really. If Bitcoin managed to get the bullish configuration or the bearish one, if we do this, it's gonna rise. If we do this, it's gonna drop too. So it depends on what reaction we have into the support now. But in any case, these are the targets we have below really on that one. Well, by the way, if we drop from here, we can add the wave 5 targets there. So we can pull the extension tool from here to here, to the top right there, and we can add the wave 5 targets. We can get rid of this. Sorry again. So 1-to-1 extension here, well, we can remove that now, we don't care anymore, these are not the same targets. So we have the 100% here, green, and then we have the 1618, and then the 2618, and we are done. Yep, these are the targets in conference with this big zone really of support next. And by the way, why do I don't have the 0 line right here? It's better when we have this. There we go. Nice. These are the targets if you want to DC in there, if you manage to drop, and well, what do we have otherwise? SHIB. Yeah, I mean, we didn't got so much move on this, so there is not much to update, to be honest with you. Oh yeah, MX got some 5 ways up, by the way. Oh yeah, I did this. There we go. 38.2, if we have to be really bullish, that will be more for a swing for a panel reflection on these lows. If we don't get anything of this, we can look for the 56, 18, 66%. As always, if we're in a wave 2, we have 73% chance to bounce from here. So it's pretty big, not gonna lie. And if we drop below, we have the 7x6 here with a swing for a pan. I'm just gonna add here some few more stuff like this. Do we have any daily level? Okay, weekly. Alright, we do have a weekly there. Weekly, let's go here and add the daily level too. And daily here. And so it was on the 1 hour, yeah? Good. Yep, well, there we go. We have this 38.2. If we go below here, well, here that will be more for a swing through panel reduction if we have to go into the 50%. Otherwise, we can. So I'm gonna get rid of this and just add this target like that. If we drop below this, here we have the 61866% plus the path control. And yeah, the daily plus the Valera low next, and yeah, that's it really. Well, otherwise, yes, there is not much to update, to be honest with you, on the alts. We did not got some big move. Hey mate, do you have any Fib time for FLOKI? No, not at all, but I can if you want. Check out this. I don't have any. Bearish configuration. So this and this we can add into the lower time frame wave. There you go, we can add all of this also inside. Let's add all of this, by the way. Nice. Okay, so in any case, I'm gonna just there is also a lower time frame wave. Good. All right, so some Fib time. go on a daily time frame here, that will be better, I think. Yep. So let's do this again. There we go, on the top there. And what's the count for this? Alright. Rise beginning, almost the top there. In any case, these ones, oops, the ones right here already normally done. Even that one normally should be respected, it's not, so no. Let's see here more. I'm not sure that will give something. Well, that one maybe, that can give something around the 1-to-1 here, the gray level here. And now, to be honest with you, even that pool is not good. Nah, there is no good fib time, to be honest with you, on this. Maybe this, by the way, if I go for the low to the low here. Well, that one, why not? That can give something, by the way, here, this one. So it's around the, well, 9th of December 2024. You can add this date. Yeah, that one a bit better. Again, it's around this date. Okay, you can see, for example, that one was almost the all-time high, was a bit after, 2 weeks later. So, well, it's around this date, really. And maybe now on a bit of a lower time frame, that will be it really for the higher time frame. I don't see some really good pulls otherwise, and the previous date was not respected, so if it's not respected before, it's not going to be respected after, really. So, let's remove that log scale. That was way too quick, yips. Yeah. And so that one here, was it well respected or? Well, that one is nice. I mean, it was nice. You can see here the bottom, almost the top, and the bottom here. So now we can maybe check the premise with the fibs after the 2. It's not really well respected. So 2618. Yeah, we do have a bit of confluence there, a bit after. 2618. So you have to be aware of Friday 23 of August, so to speak, this Friday normally. Yep. So maybe on Friday we can get something. What do we have Friday? Fetch, pose, pitch. Alright, well I can bring us with something here to be aware of too. I would not expect much on this because the premise with the 2618 and I mean such a bigger fib after, you know, the two. It's not all the time really super well respected, so I'll be a bit careful with that, but I can bring us with some stealth here still to be aware of, I'd say. Yeah, we have a bit of confidence there. Yeah, we definitely have some confidence there. Yep. Alright, so it's between, well, Wednesday and Friday really. Around there. Wednesday, Friday here. This is a 1-to-1. Okay. I'm gonna remove this. Yep, there we go. That will be all the fib times we have at the moment. I don't see some crazy pulls otherwise here on the higher time frame. The fibs before was not really well respected, so as I said, it's not really well respected after too. So yeah, we have a bit of confidence. Just between Wednesday and Friday, it matched with the news we have FOMC and Fed, so maybe that can bring us with something. Yep, well that is it really. Just gonna add here into time. And yeah, that's it. So I don't know if you have some more coins you want me to analyze, but to be honest with you, we didn't got so much move on the alts, so there is not much to update, to be honest. A lovely MC strat. If you don't know how to trade this, you can simply go here into the MC strat channel, and where you've got the short, the long, sorry, and the short here from the top. Just go into the pinned message here, and you have how to trade it really. And the stop loss, you can add a bit more, like $2 more than 260 only. That's what I'm using personally. But anyway, so yeah, that's it really for today. That wasn't a very long live stream, but well, Bitcoin is updated. The alts, we didn't got any big moves, so there is not much to update, as I said. Maybe before to end, we can check at the order flow here, see what we have. And what we've got, because it wasn't trading the whole weekend except here, then I stopped it trading really. So by the way, we've got some longs here, loads of longs that came in that we cannot really see on the 30 minutes. What I was saying here, not very bullish, careful longing. Okay, we've got these big longs there, so I guess if we got the rise next, they closed. They didn't get stopped out here. You can see we've got like 13 million almost, and almost 12 million here. We've got even more longs, so we go a bit low here, make a new low to stop a few longs. Again. We form some massive absorption on the lows. And there you go, you can see here, we have already 16 million of longs closing, plus some few million, well, yeah, well, the 16 million here was pretty nice. And so if they close, well, there is no need next to go and stop these longs anymore, so we just get the rise. Stop some shorts. We've got some nice absorption here. You can see high, lower, high next on the right. Right here. And next, whoa. Some massive absorption next on the highs again. High, lower, high. You have a high and a high, high on the right. Alright, so let me just go here on a bit of a bigger time frame. Some longs. Yeah, and all of this got stopped out next. Look at that. And we've got another 21 million of longs coming in here. 30, no way. There is 30 million here. Jeez, what the fuck is this? You can see quick move up, bam, quick move down to go all the way down, take the stops, and come back up. We submit a few longs, not all of them, but only 7 million on the 30. It's pretty crazy. 30 million in 2 5-minute candles. This is absolutely crazy. So well, yeah, it will be cool to just go take the lows, go into, you know, the support we have just below here to take the stops of these longs. That would be lovely. I'm just gonna check here with the waves what we've got. We did took the low here. Yeah, we definitely have to do some few more longs here to stop. Don't know if I can do it like this. Yeah, nice, it's working well. So the best way to go, just, you know, this, all right. So take out the lows and then come back up like this. Depending again if we get a swing, I mean, if we manage to get, you know, all the good long reaction, everything. But I can bring us with just the lows taken. Take the stops to stop the more longs that we didn't stop out yet, and from here, well, either get the good data, get a bounce, either not, fall and just go into the next target, really. Okay, but it will be cool to go at least for these lows here once more to stop a few longs, a few more longs here, because we really have a lot. No, I don't want to save that. So yeah, well, that is all the flow. And otherwise, just on the high time frame here, what do we have? Nothing crazy. Yeah, well, that's it really. Alright, so yeah, take the lows and then that'll be cool. And then we can see if we get a good reaction or not. If not, bam, next target. And we go stop even more longs because we're going to take some few more lows here. So we can take even more stop loss. But anyways, that's it really for me for today. Just gonna check the chat before to end. Thanks, mate. My pleasure. And yeah, so hope you enjoyed. Thank you all for watching as always. I wish you a brilliant day ahead. And yeah, we have no news. We have some news, no news today, but and tomorrow we have some news FOMC on Wednesday. So we'll see in any case on Wednesday as we have a stream. So yeah, I catch you all over the Discord. If you want to stay updated, you can absolutely join it. Just well, check the Matthios update, MC Strat. If you want to trade the MC Strat, you will get the short here, for example, from the top. And the long also here that was posted on Friday, by the way. It's already hit. It's hit today, and you've got a nice bounce already. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, have a brilliant day ahead. Hope you had a nice weekend. Take care, and catch you over the Discord or in the next daily update on Wednesday. Have a nice one. Cheers.